Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. As we are eagerly waiting for the next Galaxy Note in line, we are still more than half a year away from the Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra, but that doesn't stop the rumor mill from leaking early information. The Note 23 Ultra will have a completely redesigned main camera cutout with 2 large sensors in the corner and 2 smaller ones alongside. This camera setup is labeled 200MP, which goes in line with previous rumors. This is because Samsung has recently unveiled a brand new 200MP HM1 ISOCELL camera sensor, but it is yet to be seen on a smartphone. The Galaxy Note genes are still intact as well, with built-in S Pen support, a curved screen, and a flat bottom and top. The phone is shown in a ceramic-looking white color option but a black S Pen. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC and an LTPO AMOLED display with a dynamic refresh rate ranging between 10 Hz and 120 Hz for battery saving. While the Note 23 Ultra is expected to come with a 200MP camera, the S23 and S23 Plus are rumored to stick with 108MP cameras. The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is not expected to arrive until at least January or February 2023. Samsung always saves the best features for its premium smartphones. A few years back, the Galaxy Note series was considered the top-tier phone series by the brand. However, the company axed it, and now, the Samsung Galaxy S series is the top-end series for Samsung flagships. This year, the brand launched the Galaxy S22 Ultra, confirming that it is a fusion of the Galaxy Note and Galaxy S. While the S22 Ultra's design is liked by many, it appears that it's already the time that we see what's coming for next year with the Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra, as refer as Note is back. The Samsung Galaxy Note 23 Ultra will be the premium flagship of 2023. As it is right now, the Galaxy Note 23 Ultra appears in the boxy form factor. The smartphone has a punch-hole display with curved sides. It should be a 120 Hz refresh rate panel. The phone appears to have a silver-colored metal frame with antenna bands visible on it. It shows that the S Pen support of the phone. Coming to the cameras, the island appears to be more pronounced. It has multiple cameras on the back, with the major highlight being the 200MP main sensor. Is based on the recent reports that revealed the phone to have a 200MP Samsung HM1 ISOCELL sensor. The other sensors are unknown, but we can expect those to be telephoto, ultra-wide, and periscope sensors. Despite the pronounced camera island, the phone has a cleaner look, probably because of its white paint job. Well, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.